Happy respawn, motherfucker. Yes.
Okay, now check this shit. I'm a force to be reckoned with. 10 years from now, they gon' be asking how they slept on this. Fuck my manners, man, somebody getting swept on this. I'm seeing red, man, I should've gotten meth on this. Marching with the force of 1,000 suns. Build your walls, watch me break them all down to crumbs. I can fit the crown you wear right around my thumb. You got a small mind, fuck your throne, I bow to none. So many skeletons, my closet is a mess. Got a sick amount of pressure and an awful lot of stress. But I've been working so long I forgot about the mess. Guess I'd rather be exhausted than depressed. Pick your poison, make them hate so much that it destroys them. And when they cannot beat you, listen to them, switch their voices. I heard them talking, but it's just a mix of different noises. Now they sending offers, I just nix and void them, then avoid them like I don't need them, never did. Always on the move, never settle in, never settle down. I don't need no sedative. Lord knows I'm working, I can't let the devil win. I don't need them, never did. Always on the move, never settle in, never settle down. I don't need no sedative. Lord knows I'm working, I can't let the devil win. I don't need to diss my peers, even though it's crystal clear. They wish I disappeared, dap me up, but pissed I'm here. If I'm not on your list of fears, just give me a fiscal year. I am gonna lock it down, Ryan's got this shit secure. It's obscure how they talk about you when you're not around. Like I can't hear them simply just cause they ain't talking loud. I was never walking like them, so they'd say I'm not allowed. They must need something though, cause they ain't saying nada now. Tell them get away from me, I don't want your laziness. Don't know much about it, but I heard that it's contagious shit. I cannot contain this gift, I'm doper than the cane you sniff. Honestly, you crazy if you think that you can tame this kid. My teamwork as hard as me, I never have to babysit. Try to knock my hustle, but your hustle soft as baby shit. I already got a queen, I don't want your lady bits. I don't pay no one to build it, I go out and lay the bricks. I don't need them, never did. Always on the move, never settle in, never settle down. I don't need no sedative. Lord knows I'm working, I can't let the devil win. I don't need it, never did. Always on the move, never settle in, never settle down. I don't need no sedative. Lord knows I'm working, I can't let the devil win.
Stop up!
Just desperados with no destination. No history, no list of friends, no reputation. Just a wanderlust, casting spells with the wanderlust. Oh, they love to watch us burn, but they would hate to be one of us, cause we are the only thing keeping us warm. But we'll eventually freeze, just feeling the heat when we touch, just seeing the breath that we breathe. And we can replay all these moments, once for resting in peace. There's no second chances for you, there's no resurrection for me. We don't waste time on the things we can't control. I don't be with fancy folks. Poison in our bodies, we don't need no antidote. And just like to do anything we can to cope.
You and me, baby, we're just a couple of stars. One day we're gonna burn out, for now we light up the dark. We could disappear right now, they couldn't tell from afar. They lie watching us burn, but they don't know who we are. Supernova. Supernova.
If I
vanish tomorrow, if I perish tonight, don't dwell on my death. Just cherish my life. Keep climbing as high as you can. Don't be scared of the heights. Do it as big as you can at all costs, my dog. Do not be scared of the price. We burning out twice as fast as the rest. How tragic the mess. Living our lives and laughing at death. We are just galaxies packaged in flesh. Don't know where we'll end up by the end of the night. But I'm not afraid of the end, as long as I'm ending it right, baby. I'm just a dream, but at least I feel alive. My money when I get it, it won't be there when I die. If I feel it, then I know it. I don't need a reason why. Baby, you and me and living, other people just survive.
You and me, baby.